So today's video is going to be a little different. I'm actually in Southern California right now for work, and I'm actually starting my trip off in San Diego. So while in San Diego, I'm actually seeing some friends, but I thought maybe, you know what, I'm going to stop by one of my sponsors. And I'm going to go see MGP Caliper Covers. And if you guys aren't familiar with MGP Caliper Covers, they've been a longtime sponsor for my channel. They provided caliper covers for my C250, C300, Audi A4. So what I want to do is take you guys along with me, and then we'll take a look at the process of making caliper covers right here in the US of A. Man, that was a nice drive from downtown San Diego out here. I mean, San Diego is nice. The weather's nice, the roads are nice and wide and flat. I don't know, the more time I spend in California, I might move back here. So now let's go ahead and check out their office because I'm super excited to see what they have in store for me. Hey guys, I'm here at MGP. This is Adam. Adam, what do you do here?
I'm the warehouse manager here.
Adam is gonna be showing me around. I don't know what you got in store for me, but...
We got some fun stuff in store for you, man.
But I definitely want to check out the facility, if that's okay with you.
Yeah, come on, man. Let's go ahead and take a tour.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. So right in here, it's gonna be a lobby. We're gonna have people come in here and sit down, relax while we put your covers on your car. We do installation here as well.
Okay. I didn't know that.
We have a bunch of different colors here, a bunch of different formats you could get made. This out here, and here's our warehouse. It looks a little chaotic, but everything here is process. Okay? So over here's an interesting process. Now what we do here is we'll actually get a die cast made of all the different brakes that are out there on the market. So that way we can ensure that the cover that we build for that brake fits accurately. And we can design a plate built precisely for that brake.
So here's the thing that is out there right now. There's a lot of universal fit plastic stuff that's held on by glues or clips that you have to cut and trim and put onto your calipers, and to be honest, I don't trust that, especially when you have a wheel moving at a really high rate of speed. You don't know what's going to happen with that cover, whereas this, it's designed specifically for your caliper, so you're going to get the right quality, the right fitment overall, and you can have peace of mind that it's not going to come off and cause any issues.
And then I'm going to introduce you to Martin. If you don't mind showing him a little bit of what you do, that'd be great.
Cool.
Okay. Now basically what I'm doing is, when we have this job, right? What I do on the computer is I design pretty much the engraving that's going to go on the plates.
Yep.
And I also take care of the forming dies and make the forming dies that actually form the shape of the plate.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
exactly. So whatever your order is, we're pretty much going to make it to order. We're made to order here. So you tell us what you want, the font you want, the color you want, and if it's custom, then this is this is one of the processes to go through to make it right. This is how it starts. It starts right here, looking like this, moving over here, and then eventually it's going to be out there on a plate. So we're going to start going over here. We're going to hit you with some engraving. All right. So you go through our website. You can pick out an engraving, which we have our own listed, or you can make a custom. So for instance, this is one that we actually have online. You can pick. So this is how it's going to kind of begin. This came out of this machine.
Okay, so what happens after this, after the initial engraving of the design or logo?
All right, let me show you. They get formed and welded. So after they've been engraved, they come over here to get welded. They weld these tabs on here, which these are what's actually going to be bolted onto your caliper. And then I'm going to come over here and I'll show you a finished product. Cool. Now, there's one step that we don't actually, it's not going to be here, is the powder coating. We have another warehouse offside of that, but it comes back here, come back looking like this.
And in terms of colors?
Our main colors are red, yellow, and black. Any custom color. If you have your car, you could send in your paint code, and then we could match it to your paint code of your car.
Wow, that's cool. So this is the stud process?
Right, so once we get the piece back, what they need to do is she needs to stud every single cover that comes through here so that they're able to bolt the bolt on. And then one of our next steps is we're gonna do, after you pick out your engraving, you could also pick out what color paint fill you want. There's a bunch of different paint fill color options.
So when you say paint fill, you mean the
Actual engraving.
the actual engraving?
The actual engraving is paint filled by hand.
Got it, okay.
Right. So here's a couple sets right here that underneath the heaters, they just got done getting paint filled. And right now they're underneath our heat lamps to get everything nice and baked on there so nothing's gonna come off, get scratched off or anything like that. Once it goes through that process, we come over here, we just bag it, tag it, and we ship it straight to your door. Comes bubble wrap, you know, to keep everything nice and safe. Yep. Includes clips for the front and rear, some instruction cards here. We made it very easy to put on your car. You know, a lot of people aren't tech savvy, right? Yep. So if you actually scan this barcode on your phone, you could actually bring up all the instructions needed to be put on the car. So this is our warehouse. This is where actually all of our stuff are in stock. So anything that you order, sometimes we already have in stock. You might not have to wait, you know, the 5 to 7 business days to get a custom order made. So, go for instance right here, this set's ready to roll. This is for a Corvette. So if you have any Corvette owners out here, we have you covered. Actually, this is gonna be a black set.
Nice.
Ready to go to your door.
That's clean.
So something else that we do here at MGP is we not only do engraving, we'll actually print the image on your plate as well.
So this is not vinyl. This is
printed on there.
Whoa.
All right, Alex, we're all set here.
Got the custom set.
Your custom set all ready for you right here. Go ahead and give you a quick check. I'll let you go ahead and dive in there.
Okay, I want to thank Adam, especially for showing me around and showing me the process. It was really eye-opening, really cool. I appreciate it a lot.
Yeah, no problem, man. It was great having you here, man.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. I really do appreciate you coming down.
Yeah, and I appreciate MGP Caliper Covers for sponsoring me for the past few years. They've been amazing. Definitely go check out their products. I'll leave links in the description below. And I do have a surprise for you guys coming up, so definitely stay tuned. So that's my trip to MGP Caliper Covers. It was an awesome experience. And again, I want to thank the team at MGP for allowing me to check out the whole entire process of how caliper covers are made. And I want to thank them for providing me with that custom set of caliper covers. I'm going to be installing those in a future video, so definitely stay tuned. But since I had such an awesome time, I want to do a giveaway. And I'm not just gonna do one giveaway, I'm gonna do 4 giveaways. All the information for the giveaway will be in the description below, so definitely check it out. So 3 names that I pick will get an MGP Caliper Cover hat and t-shirt. Pretty cool. And then I'm gonna draw 1 more name, and that lucky winner is not just gonna get a hat and t-shirt, but what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pay for your caliper covers. So yeah, you heard that right. I'm gonna pay for your caliper covers. So that 1 lucky person is gonna be able to go to MGP Caliper Covers website, design and customize their own set of caliper covers for their car, and I'm gonna pay for it. Well, I think those are some really cool giveaways, and of course, the only way to enter is check out the information in the description below. Well, there you have it, guys. Another awesome video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I wanna thank you guys for supporting the channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.